Please, I don't want to lose you.
Why are you pestering my life this way? Eh? Are you not ready to listen to me? Didn't you hear what I told you?
Brago, I just want to hear from your mouth that you've forgiven me before. Please, Brago.
Why are you destroying my life like that? What's the meaning of this?
Amele. 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 Come, Papa. Come.
What do you think is wrong with her?
I think she's pregnant.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawili, a descendant from the great Ameto Mawili's family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bredi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Emily, I hope you're fine. You don't look cheerful.
I am not all that fine, my dear. I think it is malaria.
You should take some herbs. You know that.
Exactly.
Afternoon.
I will.
And have you told Mommy about it?
Yes. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Yes. You should take some herbs. And you'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
You know, the other time, the mass festival was so
Papa, I'm still waiting! It's keeping long. You need to go home. I'm hungry, cry. 2, 3, 4. Ampafo! Brago, you scared me.
Ajiman.
What do you want?
Ajiman, you know, as a lady, you need a man, someone who would make you happy. And if you would remember, the first time we met, you saw there was a connection between us. And since then, anytime I think about you, I get goosebumps all over my body. I feel so excited anytime your name is mentioned. I think you're my soulmate.
Brago, can I tell you something?
Of course.
Yes, I know you do love me.
So tell me something nice.
And I like you too. But the truth is, we can never be together.
But you like me.
We can never be together. Get that?
No.
You are already engaged to someone in this village, Bobole Bobo.
Oh, forget about Bobole Bobo. I'm tired of staying in mad houses. I want to go to the city where I can see mansions, storied buildings, made with bricks, with nice ceiling and all that. And Ajiman, see, You are the love of my life. I can't be with any other man aside you.
Brago, I just want you to have your peace of mind. Listen, I'm very young. And I don't want to die young. I've fallen for your friend, Nanama, already. So please, take your bobo so that I can have my peace of mind to finish my assignment and get back to the city. Please. We can never be together.
I'll make you the king of my heart.
No.
Hey, you can't leave me like...
Brago, please.
You don't know what you are missing, oh. Look at me. You don't know.
I know you are beautiful.
See, let me tell you something. You know my friend, it's not like I'm backstabbing her. You see the back of her hair. She has a disease that
think
prevents her
I'll
hair.
get time to stand here to listen to this rubbish? I'm
She has a disease that prevents her
taking
hair
the
from
lead.
growing, oh. You can't go with her to the city, oh. You must love me, oh. You must love me, oh. How can you take this calabash to your house? Calabash. I have hair. See, my nice hair. If you take me to the city, I can make your life better.
I said I don't want you.
You like me. You like me. A promise is a promise.
I don't want to see you again.
You see me.
I'm engaged to you. Your friend Anama.
She doesn't fit you.
Take your bobo.
But I love you.
Oswe Najwa, that teacher is good, Papa. He's a good-looking guy and knows how to take care of a woman.
Of course, I told you, Araba.
Yeah, you did.
You should enjoy it whilst it lasts, though. Who wouldn't like that fine teacher? Including me.
Hey, Ajua.
Hey, what? Is what?
What? How many times do you want me to tell you should stop giving bad advice to Araba? What at all do you see in that teacher that we don't see? Or is it because he is handsome?
Of course now, he is.
To you then, let me tell you something. Or is it because Araba is dragging herself to that teacher's couch, which would soon swallow her? Of course I know that.
Hey! Oswe with a sharp mouth. Do you have problem with him?
Answer her now.
Hey!
Answer her.
Problem. No, I don't have problem with him more.
Hey.
What I'm trying to tell you is please and please again, don't fall for that teacher's sweet schemes. All that glitters is not gold.
Esiwa. That isn't your problem.
Let that be a headache. It is enough, you both. When are you girls going to stop fighting? Let's just stop this argument.
When she's always being local.
And when you're always giving bad advices.
Anyway, Sha, let's go. With all this bad news, let's go.
Nanama. What is causing the excitement?
Ask again, my sister.
Just tell me. I'm itching to hear. What is
I am
it?
more than excited.
Tell me about it.
Well, my handsome city guy. Yes! Very soon, I'll be following him to the city to live a lavish life. He even told me a lot of beautiful things in the city, like big cars. There are buildings, story buildings, and it's all his. He has a lot of properties. Yes, everything.
Everything is for him.
Yes, he's very rich and independent. So imagine me, Nanama, in the city, in all those lavish life. Charlie. I wish I could go with you, Nanama. But you would also be getting married to Bobo. But don't worry, when I'm coming back to the village, I will get you some nice dresses. You change your hair and all that. I'll even buy you a car.
We will come there too.
Yeah?
We will also come to the city.
No, I'll bring them to you, okay? Let's go home. I'm going to meet him. Don't calm down. I'll buy you beautiful things. Let me help you. Let me. Oh, wrong. So sorry. That is it.
So that was what really happened.
Oh, hello.
Then I think you should apologize to her. Yeah, you should apologize to her. You should.
Hello. Like, I don't even know what to do now. I don't know.
What are you saying? How can you know what to do? In fact, how would you know what to do? Upon all this disgrace. What would you do if it was you? Now the harm has been done already. So you forget about it. And then go and apologize. You see,
I will.
put away the ego and then apologize to her.
Okay,
I think she's very calm and respectful. So like, I believe she will forgive you.
Okay.
But you shouldn't let it happen again. You're my brother, okay?
I've heard you. So, how is your friend, Frema? How's she doing?
What?
Frema, how's she doing?
She's there. Why you forget about Frema?
But your own is good.
It's cool. The Gary and beans is ready.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
I'm really hungry.
In your situation, you are still hungry. Come on, let's go. What will you wait for?
Make sure you write the notes and make sure your handwriting are visible. I don't want any kuro handwriting.
Amelie. Hey, are you okay?
I am perfectly fine, my dear.
Hey, are you sure you're okay?
Frema, trust me when I tell you that I'm okay.
Of late you've been sleeping in class.
I don't know, but I'll be fine.
I hope those that have been rhyming over there have finished writing. Like I said, I don't want any horrible handwriting there. Yeah, so words are their opposite, as we are talking about. Words are their opposite, which is the same thing as Anthony. You can call them opposite meaning or antonyms. So when you talk about that, you are talking about words that actually doesn't mean.
Brago, I have been waiting for you since. Brago, please forgive me. I don't know what I've done to you. Please, if I have done something that I don't know, please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Just let me go and drop the water.
Brago, I can't afford to lose you to another man. Please forgive me. Brago, please. Please.
What is the meaning of this?
Please, I don't want to lose you.
Why are you pestering my life this way? Are you not ready to listen to me? Didn't you hear what I told you?
Brago, I just want to hear from your mouth that you've forgiven me before. Please, Brago.
Why? Why are you destroying my life like that? What's the meaning of this?
Brago.
Didn't you notice her lately? What's about her lately? She had been sleeping always in class of late. And even in her night classes. Girl, I hope it's not what I'm thinking of.
Amele. 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 Come, Papa. Come. Class is in section and you are asleep. Huh? What is wrong with you?
Sir, I am not feeling all that well.
You make sure you see me after class.
Okay, sir.
Go and sit down. Your concentration is back here.
Sammy, I've been wondering for some time. What do you think is wrong with her? I think she's pregnant too.
You don't mean it.
Yes, so. Actually, she is. This girl will think she plays the Virgin Mary in this town. Not knowing her. She's a slut.
Amele, you were sleeping in class today. Why? What's the problem?
I think I am not feeling fine. And I guess it's malaria.
Are you sure it's malaria?
Frema.
Yes.
I have to go see Teacher Mauli now. He asked me to see him after class.
Okay, I've heard you. But don't keep long. Okay? Mind you, we have to get home early. Okay?
I'll be back soon.
Alright. Be fast.
Amele, you have been sleeping in class lately. What at all is wrong with you?
Sir Mauli,
You what? Just tell me.
I think I'm pregnant.
What? You are what?
I am pregnant.
Yes! And who is responsible for that?
Teacher Mauli. Have you forgotten what you were doing me in the bush? You give me belly.
Okay, have you told anybody about it?
No, sir, not even mommy.
Good, that is good. Make sure you don't disclose it to anybody, not even your mother. I'll know what to do about it. You see, tomorrow after school, meet me at where we usually meet.
Okay, sir.
And I will make sure that I'll see what I can do. So you go. I'll see you there. Amele, stop. Don't you see that we are in school?
I'll come.
Go. Chai! Hey, Teacher Mauli, I'm dead. I'm finished. Hey! So what do I do about it now?
Oh. When I get home, I'll do it. You see what I'm seeing over there?
What? It's just Amele who is passing.
She's pregnant.
What? How could she?
I
I just can't wait for it to come out. Why do you seem so happy? Sweetheart, I can't cry for someone's wrong, so you are heartless, Quantuma. I can't even breathe. How can you breathe? Baby mama. The baby will start coming and be like, the baby's coming. The baby.
Oh, have you forgotten them?
Nanama. That's one.
I know you lose. Yay, yay.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's eat. Already washed.
Don't mind. Okay. Whoa.
But the stew is nice. So.
You know I'm a good cook.
Yeah. No smoked fish.
Please.
Let me see.
Oh, please. That. Oh.
Nana. What is there?
Eat the yam. Eat the yam. Ah! I'll mind you.
Oh, mine is small.
Like that.
Like, wait for me, cry.
Are you why?
Let me take one.
Take what? Listen. Some things are for lovebirds only. Are you a lovebird? You are a baller bed. Master, go inside and go and eat. Go.
I'm me baller bed.
I know a baller bed.
Nana, I love the sweet you before. Aji.
Go and eat.
It's inside there.
Were you able to check those big trees along the river? As I count them well, I don't want any.
Maybe I tell you, say this place development for country. Aji.
Oh, for eat. What is that?
Aji money order.
Babe, I want you to promise me one thing. I don't only love you. You are my soulmate. I want you to promise me that you will never hurt me no matter what. Please.
Nanama, I have been promising you all the time. But it seems you found it difficult to believe me. Fine. I'm giving you my last promise. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Nanama, I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Nanama, my love, to love you forever till death do us apart.
You are irreplaceable. I love you so much, Ajima.
I love you too, Nanama.
Next. See, you know that's your friend, Ajimai. He's with my friend Nanama. So we should share 2-2. So that when we go to the city, we can...
So you want to go to the city with us?
Yes.
Because your friend is dating my friend.
She's my friend. Ajimai is also your friend, so we should pay. Best of the same feathers.
Brago, I'm not interested.
You are interested?
Don't mean Paul, I'm not interested.
I can see it in your eyes.
Ajiman, please. I swear to God, there's nothing something going on between us. Please. Believe me, at least give me the chance to explain myself. I am sorry.
Back in the days, back in the days, so back in the days, back in the days, back in the days. Ready my nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Pretty man. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. Asembe ba debi. Asembe ba debi o. Jaya kuboni idio.